Let's plan your next trip together. Write the trip name, pick your dates. The number of days is calculated for you. Choose a photo for your trip. Insert image. You can do it right from Google search. Now let's plan your budget. You can change categories and add your estimated costs. All totals appear on the dashboard. Later, you'll enter your actual spending. Now, you'll clearly see the difference between planned and real expenses. Add your bookings, flights, hotels, anything. You can save all the links here. Insert a smart chip for each location. Right-click, Smart Chips, Place, type the address. Pick a date and time for each booking. Click a place to see the map preview. Open it in Google Maps or right inside the sheet. Choose Directions and send the route to your phone. Plan your activities. Add the name, price, category, and location. You'll see photo previews from Google Maps right in the sheet. Add the date, time, and notes for each activity. Next up, packing list. It's auto-filled. Just choose your trip type. Pick a category for each item. It will be sorted into suitcase or carry-on. You can also use your personal list. In the Settings tab, you can customize all your packing items. Set your year start month and choose your currency. The calendar shows all your trips, automatically highlighted. Dashboard shows total budgets for all your trips and your actual spending. All past and future trips automatically listed, with clickable links to each trip page. The Savings Goal tab helps you track how much you still need to save. Add your savings and watch your progress grow. Want this template? Link in my description.